Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and today I'm looking at a log cabin I restored 20 years ago for the Historical Society in Hutchinson. And I really was concerned about the chinking. They wanted the authentic old style chinking in it, and some of it here is broken loose, but a lot of it is holding up really good, because what we do when we have to put this old stuff in is we put wire mesh in here, and we staple it about 3 times more, or nail it to this upper log than to the bottom log, because when Murphy's Law kicks in and it breaks loose from one log or the other, we always want it to break loose from the lower log and stay tight up here, because otherwise a joint or crack at the top is going to funnel the water in way more than if it breaks the bond at the bottom of the log. And here you can see how there was no waterproofing put on these logs whatsoever, so this melting snow here is soaking the log, and it also looks like we failed to take off the bark, which is now coming off, and it's creating a place for moisture to come in at the top of the chinking. So that was one bad thing that we overlooked. But one of the cool things about it is we poured this foundation here, jacked it up, and we poured this new foundation in sections. And then we put stones into the foundation, and we also got a special concrete mix that allowed us to get this unique finish on here, because we stripped all the forms off the same day and we pressure washed it. So this foundation has kind of an antique look to it, if you will, and it fits the cabin much better. But over here, let's see. Yeah, this one's a little loose here too. But overall, some pretty. The chinking is holding up pretty good. So there's a splice up there where it looks like we either straightened the log or we replaced one. Over here, there's another section that looks like it was replaced. So anyway, overall, I'm pretty pleased with the way that it's held up. But I'm going to talk to the people in charge here and make some recommendations about waterproofing and so forth, so it'll serve them a little longer. Thanks for watching, folks. Take care.